CapCut can also be used to share files with others. So over here in the home page, you can see that share files is an option. So if you were to go around and click right here, then you can see that you can go around and drag and drop a file over here from your computer or click on upload. And what happens is that it opens up an Explorer window where you will be able to go around and then select out a video clip that you want to share. And if you were to click on open right here, then what happens is that you can choose a workspace on where you want to save it. In my case, on my second workspace, I got 903 MB, while in first workspace, in the 222 workspace, there's only 5.88 MB right here. So I'm selecting my second workspace and clicking on select right here. And what happens is that this particular video clip, mind that you cannot share everything. So it does need to be a video clip right here. So you can see that I have uploaded my video clip, and you can choose whether you only want the members of the space to access out this file right here, or anyone with the link can access. So I'm just going to go around and say everyone can access this link. And once that is set up, you can go around and copy out the link in your clipboard and then go around and then access it out right here. So you can see that there's certain messes that's actually copied as well. So what other people need to do is they need to go around and access out the link right here. So once they do that, what happens is that they go on to the view mode, as you can see right here, onto the preview mode, and they don't get onto the space, and they'll be able to preview the video that you shared with them just like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize the share files functionality inside of CapCut as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe